Hi, everyone. Are you ready to test your grammar skills today?
Absolutely. Today, we're focusing on the present continuous tense.
That's the tense we use for actions happening right now.
You'll see short questions and choose the correct answer.
Think carefully, but don't worry. Have fun.
Let's begin the quiz.
I for the bus right now.
The correct answer is am waiting. Use aming verb with the subject I.
Look, she a picture.
The correct answer is painting. Third person singular uses is plus ing.
They in the pool at the moment.
The correct answer is are swimming. Double the M in swim plus ing.
We dinner together tonight.
The correct answer is are having. Drop the E in have before adding inye.
Listen, the phone.
The correct answer is ringing. Singular subjects the phone take is verb ing.
He has homework currently.
The correct answer is doing. Use is-ing for current actions with he.
You listening to me?
The correct answer is are. Use the helper verb are with you in questions.
The dog its tail happily.
The correct answer is wagging. Double the G in was ing.
I feeling very well today.
The correct answer is am not. Use am not for negative first-person sentences.
Why is she laughing?
The correct answer is is. Place the helper is before the subject in questions.
The kid's inside because it is raining.
The correct answer is are playing. Plural subjects take are plus eining.
Please be quiet,
The correct answer is am working. Use present continuous for actions happening now.
My dad, the car right now.
The correct answer is washing. Singular subject uses is verb ing.
It getting dark outside.
The correct answer is is. Use is as the helper verb with it.
Where are they going?
The correct answer is are. Use are for questions with they.
Choose the correct sentence.
The correct answer is he is running fast. Double the N in run and use is.
Which sentence is correct?
The correct answer is I am sitting down. Double the T in sit, use am.
Identify the right grammar.
The correct answer is they are not eating. Use are not plussing for plural negatives.
Choose the correct question.
The correct answer is she sleeping? Move is to the front for questions.
Select the correct sentence.
The correct answer is we are studying now. Plural we takes are plusing verb.